area, friends. Today I want to show you this exceptional modern farmhouse designed home in the heart of downtown Campbell. Even on a rainy day like today, this home is going to make you smile. The open concept great room is perfect for entertaining, and all the designer details in this home really make it feel warm and inviting. Welcome to 300 Honeydew Way. Let's go take a look around. This beautifully customized 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath residence features open concept, modern design, and was built just over 4 years ago by luxury home builder Robeson Homes. A loft-like main floor is designed for entertaining friends and family and features a balcony that extends the living outdoors. High ceilings and oversized windows make this space feel airy and bright. The special nooks off the kitchen and living area make great places to enjoy your morning coffee or glass of wine. A kitchen built for a gourmet chef offers plenty of counter space, custom cabinets, and a huge walk-in pantry for extra storage and prep. Wind down the day upstairs in the spacious primary suite with vaulted ceiling, walk-in closet, and a luxurious bath. 2 additional bedrooms, a full bath, and laundry are located just down the hall. On the first floor, behind a barn door, is a large bedroom suite ideal for guest visits or as a second TV room, playroom, or a home office. A built-in mudroom makes coming and going a breeze with an organized place to hang your coat and leave your shoes. Outside, this tightly knit community shares a neighborhood park and play area, and you are just steps from a run on the Los Gatos Creek Trail. Simply put on your walking shoes to enjoy boutique shopping, dining, and entertainment in downtown Campbell and the Prune Yard. The neighborhood is also an easy commute to downtown San Jose, many Silicon Valley employers, sporting events, and the San Jose Municipal Airport. Could this be your next dream home? To learn more or schedule a private tour, just call, text, or email me. I look forward to hearing from you.